called teamwork. Somebody, let me give you an idea. Somebody's got to take charge. Somebody must take charge. Somebody needs to understand that I'm going to lead the word. Ek is die woordleier. Wie is die woordleier in geel? Who's the team leader here? Should I find somebody? How's die word leader? El, kom asseblief na my. Hoe staan jy hier vir my? Waar is dit? Nou, as ek stem. Ek my gesin. This is your word leader. El Verlinder, listen here. Jy is your word leader. Choose a word. Choose anything. As long as you can. You've got 10 minutes.